Hey guys, this is Devesh Charjed and you're watching Devesh Charjed channel. So in this video I'm going to show you what if analysis tool in MS Excel. What if analysis. So to understand this we need to move to the Excel sheet. So before we need to know what is what if analysis. So what if analysis is the process of changing the value of a cell to see how those changes would affect the outcome of a formula. So to clearly understand this definition, we need to move to the Excel sheet. So viewers, we have come to the Excel sheet. Now you need to go to the data tab for what if analysis. As you can see here, what if analysis. To know what is what if analysis, we need to do an example here. I have here income tax calculator. Here I have taxable income and here I have taxable liability. So this is the cell where I have applied the formula, and this the cell which I'll be changing. So let me make this as 50 lakhs. Then as you can see, the tax liability has changed. It is 13 lakh 12,500. So this means if my income is 50 lakhs, then I need to pay 13 lakh 12,500. We'll see one more example here. If my tax is 51 lakhs, then I need to pay 13 lakh 42,500 as my tax. So you want it in a reverse way. Suppose you want to pay only 50,000 as tax liability. So you want to know the income reverse way. So to know how much would be the tax income if my tax liability is 50,000. So Excel has provided with a great tool in Excel sheet, that is what if analysis. So in this what if analysis, we need to click here, and as you can see the second option goal seek, we need to click here, and the first option what they are asking here is set cell. So we need to set the formula cell. So the cell in which we have applied formula, we need to select that cell. So that cell, the target value, so suppose we want the tax liability as 50,000. So which cell do I need to change to get the value 50,000? Of course this one, 51 lakh. So we need to select this cell. Sorry, yeah, this cell. So when I press OK here, as you can see here, the values have changed. To get tax liability as 50,000, we need to earn 6,87,500. So this helps in reverse calculation. Here I have showed you with the income tax calculator. You can apply with any formula reverse calculation. So let me press, if I press OK here, then this would be the value. So we will see another example, what if analysis, goal seek. As the cell is already set to value 15 lakhs, 100, 1000, lakh, 10 lakh. By changing cell, I want to change taxable income. So click here, OK, yes. Click again, once again, OK. So you want to know how much is your taxable income. If your tax liability is 15 lakh, your taxable income is 56 lakh 25,000. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day. Thank you so much.